Okay, today we're doing more elapsed time. The times get a little more complicated because before we've been working with just half-hour times and hour times, and these are all times to the 5 minutes. So still friendly numbers. Everyone's good at counting by fives, which is good. And the other thing I wanted to do that's different today is I wanted to go split screen on my screen to show you how using the virtual clock as a tool can help you kind of visualize and understand how this timeline tool actually works kind of in the real world with time. So we have a start time here of 11:55 a.m. This is one of those fun ones where we start in the a.m.s and go to the p.m.s. And then our end time is 1:20 p.m. We're going to make jumps of the hour first. I'm just going to stay consistent with that. That's going to be my strategy that I'm showing you. And I'm going to make a 1 hour jump. So let's see. Oops, I'm not on my draw tool. Now I am. Okay. So my 1 hour jump, 1H, to show 1 hour. And I'm going to show you what that looks like on my clock. So first I have to go to my start time. Start time was 11:55. And a 1 hour jump looks like my minute hand going all the way around the clock. So if I was at 11:55, now I'm at 12:55. So after 1 hour of a jump, I'm at 12 ... 5 5. And now I'm going to have to make a minute jump next. Because if I make another hour jump, I'm going to actually fly all the way past 120, and now I'm at 155. I went too far. So back to 12:55, and let's make some minute jumps. The first minute jump I'm going to make is I'm just going to go 5 minutes so I can get to an o'clock. So if I do a 5-minute jump, now I'm at an o'clock, and it is 1 o'clock. And that makes it really friendly and easy to get to my final destination. 1 o'clock to 1:20, you're just adding those 20 minutes from 1 o'clock, okay? That's a wild 0. It works. All right, so 1 o'clock to 1:20, let's count those 20 minutes, 5, 10, 15, 20, and there we are at our final time. And now to finish off our answer, we just have to add up the jumps we made. So in red, you can see I made a 1 hour jump. And in blue, I have to add my 5 to my 20 to show that I made 25 minutes. All right, let's do one more. There we go. Our start time for this one is 6:15 p.m. Our end time is 9:10
Good
p.m.
morning, Howard Robertson. In case nobody has looked at the staff absences today, because I know we all read the emails very detailed. 2E's program is canceled for the afternoon from 12:10 on at the moment. We will pay you back as quickly as we can, but hopefully somebody.
So I'm going to go to my start time.
Have a great day. Thank you.
My start time is 6:15. Right there. And I'm going to make my hour jumps until I can't make hour jumps anymore. So after 1 hour, I'm going to go all the way around the clock, and my hour moves up 1, my minutes stay the same. So I'm at 7:15. I'm going to make one more hour jump. 1 hour, and now I'm at 8:15. You might choose to make these a 2 hour jump and see where you end up. I'm just doing one at a time because I feel like that keeps things the easiest for understanding. So there's another hour on my virtual clock. I'm at 8:15. If I do another jump, I'm going to be at 9:15, which is actually past 9:10. So I could make that jump and then just subtract 5 minutes, but I'm just going to keep things the same, and we'll just stick with adding because I think it keeps things a lot clearer. So we're just going to add, and we're going to make our jumps until we get to 9 o'clock. So the first jump I'm going to make is going to be a 30-minute jump. I'm going to jump halfway around the clock, and I'm going to jump to 8:45. So there's a 30-minute jump. I'm going to have to write small to fit this in. 30 minutes, and that gets me to 8:45. From 8:45, I can now easily go to the next o'clock. Whoa, I'm grabbing the wrong thing. So I'm here. I'm just going to go 5, 10, 15 minutes, and that's going to get me to 9 o'clock. So 15. And then from 9 o'clock, now I can easily see that I just need to add 10 minutes to get to my final destination of 9:10. So for my final answer, I'm adding up my hour jumps. I see 2 red hour jumps, 2 hours. Weep. And how many minutes? Let's see, 30 plus 15. Well, 30 plus 10 is 40, plus 5 is 45, and then plus 10 more is 55 minutes. And because my minutes is less than 60, I don't need to regroup. If it was more than 60, I'd have to regroup and add another hour. Hopefully this helps. Feel free to use the virtual clock today. Feel free to use the timeline tool. Take your time, practice this skill so that you understand it and you're able to use it.